Hi everyone, this is Jan. I just wanted to give you a little bit of information. We should have known this cruise was going to be a dandy. When we arrived at the terminal on our first day, we normally get there between 10 and 11. We process all our paperwork and everything, and we go on board about 11:30. And we find our room, drop off some of our stuff, go get something to eat, tour around the boat, and come back to our room. Our luggage is there, we put everything away, and we're good to go. This time, we get in about 10:30, get all situated, or we sit in the boarding room, and we wait and wait and wait. And it's 11, and it's 11:30, and it's 12, and we're still not on board ship. So someone asked them, when are we going to get on board ship? And they said, well, there was a death on the last cruise. Oh, great. That is just what you want to hear. And they were waiting for the coroner. Well, apparently this person had a heart attack and died. It happens, particularly when you're dealing with primarily older people. Oh, yeah, us included, on a cruise. Those things happen. And what a way to die, out in the Caribbean. Beautiful weather, beautiful cruise, beautiful islands, and enjoying yourself. But it does make a bummer for passengers and crew. Nobody likes to hear that somebody died on their cruise. So, yeah, that was the start of this cruise. So weird.